Hi everybody, Josh here. And spring is almost here. We've had our time change. And so today I wanted to talk a little bit about seeding. A lot of times people feel like spring is a great time to seed, overseed their lawn, do a lot of major seeding projects. Though spring is a pretty good time, actually fall, August, September is a great time. It's a much better time to do larger seeding projects. Now, if you have some small areas or areas under trees that are needing seeding this spring, that's absolutely fine. So today, that's what I want to address. As you can see, we had a really weird fall and winter, so a lot of leaves might not have gotten cleaned up. So today, what I'm going to show is just raking away. This was a turf area, and as you can see, there are so many leaves left in this area that there's even some mold going on underneath and some thinness in the area. So, what we recommend is, like I said, clean up the leaves first. And this can be a leaf area or it can be an area like this where you can see it's just getting thin because as the trees grow, they increase the canopy, which means areas under trees are going to continue to thin every year unless they're elevated and properly thinned. We recommend by arborists like our company, and then you can overseed. So this, we have not thinned or elevated yet, but we're planning to do so here in the next week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you what we would do after we thin and elevate. And so what we recommend is using, in these areas under trees, it's going to set, like I said, unless you get it thin or elevated, you're continually going to see less and less turf. So elevate thin first, and then come back in with the shady variety of grass seed, which is going to be a lot of fine fescue varieties. Fine fescues is what you're going to want. You don't want sun and shade mix, you want just a good shade mix. And then go ahead and you're going to broadcast throughout these areas. And what you're looking for is about 10 grass seeds per inch for coverage. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the starter fertilizer that has phosphorus in it. And the phosphorus is what allows for further root development, that the nitrogen helps to promote growth of the leaf. The phosphorus helps promote growth of the roots. So we go ahead and apply that. And now, as spring starts to warm up and we get moisture, the area is going to be ready for the seed. Now, what you really need to watch out for with spring seeding as we get into June and July is watering as we get into droughty periods to make sure the germination is going well. And so this is kind of what I would concentrate on with spring, is any damaged areas from snow plows, any small areas that have been shaded out from trees. But I would not recommend doing major projects, as you will become a slave to the watering, and a really, really hot, dry summer could potentially just destroy your seeding. So we recommend big seeding projects in August and September. But I hope this was helpful and kind of gets your mindset for doing a little bit of those small seeding projects you need. And remember to contact your lawn care provider and let them know you did some seeding. Our guys are usually really good about noticing that, but just in case, let them know so that they do not put down pre-emergence in those areas, because the pre-emergence will stop the germination of the seed. If you have any other questions, let us know at taylorsway.com or give us a call. Thanks, and have a great day.